There's nothing to eat. Beast, that was so awesome. Check this out. Woo-hoo. Hey, there's nothing to eat. Gross. Holy shit, where's the food? Holy shit. Where is the peanut butter? We get great value peanut butter because we can't afford Jeff. No, that's sad. Just joking. Son, chop it like it's hot. Chop it like it's hot. We're not trying to get you to pop it like it's hot. Alright. Hey. There's nothing to eat. Nothing to eat. Nothing to eat. Popsicle. There's a hooker in my bedroom. Yes, there is. I don't need this peanut butter anymore. Ow! Oh, I can reach that. This is the proper way to open a popsicle. Open him a popsicle. A popsicle. I'm opening a popsicle. Ugh. Gross. What is that? Raw. Woo! Thank you for biking with us.